Straight up madness, you know how we roll.
Trying hard, bittersweet. Cabin fever's pulling me. I want to hold on to something greater. I feel the waves come crashing in. I'm drowning, drowning, drowning. Drowning, drowning, drowning. Drowning, 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 drowning,
Take a look. Is my voice coming through? I think it is. Yeah.
I'm drowning, drowning, drowning.
Oops. So where did I leave off? She made some pretty good progress. I'm always surprised when things start working right away. Even though it looks kind of ugly, the proof of concept here, behind the scenes, seems to be solid. I don't know what the heck am I talking about. That I can now create. If I run this, it will create two instances. It's a little hard to control, but all this is going to change. This is the server. So right now the server actually has a character, but this is just to make it a little bit easier to kind of like understand what's going on, right? But you can already see on stream here, in the window below, I should make it full, see? It's coming through the game, right? This is actually a separate camera inside the game. We don't actually see this right now, because it's literally a separate camera. So the idea here is we can still look into the game world, and it's completely integrated with my OBS scene. Well, integrated with my OBS scene, meaning it's just on here. But it is at the resolution I want, because I can customize the resolution to be the space I need. So I can get kind of like the POV, FOV, and all the OVs. Nice. And if I start moving around in here in the server, you can kind of see me moving around over there on the screen, on the output. Now, let me take a look here. So now if I start this one, this is going to be a client. So this is going to be kind of like people joining in. I start here in the middle, and you see now I'm in a different point of view, and it also shows up. Now, I don't have camera controls and all that fancy stuff yet, but the idea is then I can, like, if I want to make events, we can have all sorts of like races. People on stream can see everyone that's in the game. So that, I think that's kind of a cool little thing. Now, this is kind of weird. This has bugs in it. What was I going to say? The other part here. The other part is, oh yeah, the other part is, maybe it's not obvious, but that's a projector screen. There's texture on it, be more obvious. That's going to be the stream. The idea is that people in game can see the stream. Hopefully, eventually, chat and everything. But now, just watch the stream. Then drive around. Drive around. They can chill. They can. Hopefully, then the idea is that there'll be tracks and places people can drive around. Try to make a little. So, yeah, that's kind of like the start of something. It's still going to take a big work to get this base and foundation. Just working on a very basic kind of proof of concept layer right now. Right? So none of this is final. All this is kind of like just making sure that that the technology is going to work. Because I am going to host this on the web, and I don't want necessarily people like doing peer-to-peer or anything. It's all going to go through the server to kind of keep people's IPs, but we'll get there when we get there. Right now, I'm just making sure that I can actually do it, which is deploy a server separately from like the clients. I don't even really want the clients to have any kind of like admin privileges or commands even in the code, which is going to be a web. It's going to be based on web. But then the server doesn't need to be. The server can be good old regular old Linux. It's going to be headless, so it's not going to actually. Well, it is going to render actually. Maybe I'm not thinking correctly. It is going to render the scene, but we'll see. Because maybe not, because the server doesn't need to render anything. It just needs the data to kind of like keep the world in sync, right? It needs the assets to minimally kind of get things going, the reference to texture names and shit. But if I'm not mistaken, it's actually pretty good. Huh? Alright, so where was I? I was thinking about the server. It can just be a regular old Linux. Doesn't need a graphics card or anything, because it's just going to be basically synchronizing the physics, synchronizing the world, the assets and such. The actual rendering, I'll just make a view client that'll log in. It can just spectate basically, and that way I can move the camera around. And when I mean the camera, I mean like the camera that stream sees, right? So the OBS camera, which would be this layer. And I can then later add more fancy stuff like synchronize commands from OBS back and forth. For example, if I want to change the scene so that way the game is full screen, I can do that. I can come here to the where are you? The spout viewer, and I can come in here and say different resolution, 1080 for example. Now it's going to overtake the entire screen. I think I need to reset the transform. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Then I can use it in the scene however I want to later on. So all the little pieces are here. So I think we're going to continue. My objective for today is to try and get builds going, because since this is already working at this point, all I need to do is make some builds. I'm not gonna worry about, I don't know, let's see. I know I can set flags and stuff. Let's see what happens when I do the export. We already got a server, a web client. Right now everything's just going to localhost hard coded. That's no big deal. If I just literally go ahead and export it and be done. Here, let me go here. Exports. And then I'll put in here web exports. And we'll call this 5 through I mean, obviously it's web because it's HTML, but whatever. I'm not gonna do anything fancy for now. I don't think I need to worry about anything. Just export. Yes. We'll deal with this later. I know it still works because I've already tested this. Not this particular, but I have tested the web export of the card game itself. Where the heck is my terminal? So I come here. I need the server first before I do that. I can serve the page. It just won't work. Serve the page. Now while that's getting ready, I'm gonna come here, project export Windows. Okay. Up one, and we'll come here. Oops, that's not what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this. Server. Right now it's gonna create a window and view, 3D view. Wow, but that's fine for now. Here. Sure. I don't know what I'm doing. I just work here. Oh, it's exporting. Did it finish? No, it's still thinking? No. Yes, no, maybe, no, web. Yeah, it looks like it's done. Okay, so let's start the server first, I guess. Oops, I did red first. Server. Console. What? Why does? Oh, I see what I did. I'm so stupid. I'm gonna fix this right now because it's kind of actually gross to look at. Oops, wrong one. Ports, runnable. What the hell did I do? Drive-through server. Yeah, that doesn't sound like a virus at all. There we go. Is that it? Oh, I'm still thinking about it. There we go. Sure, whatever. No, that's a little better. Let's run the server. I know it's gonna be. I just realized I've been for quite some time without sound. Anyway, I'm not repeating all that unless someone comes in. Weird. Okay, I was here. Now I'm gonna build the server, right? Export server. I'm thinking this is it, right? Export. Sure. Write it. Okay. How did I close the window? Oh, okay, there it goes. Now you can't see because it opened up in my other window, but it opens the Windows firewall, which is expected. And it opened up. Oops, I can't move it. Oh, this is so stupid. I can't move the window. But you can see it's out. Well, not really what I'm seeing, but whatever. That's fine. I don't care. That worked. So now, what happens when I go to localhost 3000? We open up the drive-through. Let's see. Let me go. I can't join game. Yeah, it's a different resolution. Holy crap! It looks like it's working. It seems to be slow as balls. Or did it just crash? I think it's the capture. I don't think it likes the way I'm capturing the mouse. I bet. Wow, this is really glitchy. Okay, let me come here. Stop. Want you. The other window keeps taking priority. What the hell? Go back to here. There we go. He doesn't do anything. Control. Damn. Yeah, this is not good. I don't know. But it is in there. Actually, let me see. If I come here and open up the is that or I close the window? This server is a pain in the ass with that bug. Oops, that's not what I meant to do. There we go. Let me go back here, open this server up again. I wanted to open up this window. I can't. One eats my freaking. Okay, so that's the server moving around. You should be able to see it on stream. Yeah. So now, if I join the game here, yeah, it's just the input cap is not working. Put something on here. Oh, multiplayer current. Wow. Error. Interesting. Can't find the spout. Well, you're not supposed to. That error, that's just stuff I need to take out of the web build. Is it even showing up on the server? No, he's not being instanced in because it's like, why is it doing eNet? Didn't I do WebSocket? Or did I do eNet just because I wanted to be, I think I did eNet. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I did eNet. Let's see. Get out of this. Where are you? Ooh, eNet. I do believe the Godot documentation says it's WebSockets. And then there we go. I'm pretty sure it's this, right? Does anything else change? Client is just the Euro. Gotcha. Yeah, makes sense. I guess. And the Euro has the port. Is that what it is? What did I put it on? 999. I know I can script. Let's just run it and see if it still like functions. This is so annoying when it captures the window. Okay, that's still functioning, right? Yeah. Join the game. There it is. Okay. With WebSockets, it's working now. It's definitely glitchy over there on the spout viewer. So many stream fails today. I think the spout thing may have crashed this thing. Let's try this. Okay, there's that. There's that. Yeah, see, it starts to stutter a little bit. Is it at the edges? No, it's definitely going to be related to my CPU, my GPU usage. Let's see what my usage looks like. I don't even have Afterburner open. Oh yeah, it's definitely using GPU. All of it. I mean, my stream can take up a lot anyway. Okay, so that seems to work. Let's rebuild these things. It's really a pain in the ass to have to export every damn time, but whatever. Export project, server. Yeah. Export all. Get it done. And export projects. Save. Server does not need to be restarted because this should be all hot swappable. And run the server. It's running in this other window that's, well, it's got capture, but I can't move the freaking thing. Local host restart. I don't have that other one. Yeah, I do. Let me close this to make sure it's not eating up cycles over here either. Yep. Let's see what happens now. Join. Holy snap. Oh. Crap, it's working. Holy crap, it's working. Holy crap. Holy crap, it's working. Okay, I was not expecting that to work. This is actually kind of cool. Just to make sure it's clear. Where the hell are you? There you are. This screen, which is actually being hidden right now, this screen here is my Godot, right? This is my desktop, right? And I am in the web browser playing, right? And below you can see what's going on in game. When I get by the red card, you see me by the red card. Oh my god, oh my gosh. Now let me see something here. I didn't test this before. I want to find out if this works now. I think this captures my stupid mouse like too aggressively. I need to look into that. It'd probably be top priority because it's super annoying and very difficult to do anything with. Yeah, there's another instance in there. Holy snaps. I think it's just loading and syncing, and now it's there. And I think I turned collisions off. Yeah. So this guy's going to stay here by the red car. And if I come to this tab, this dude's over here by the blue car. And then if I go to the window that you guys can't see because I can't move it, I'm moving the admin, technically. That's the admin. With the server. That's a player running on the server directly. The server player. The idea is like if you're doing a LAN party, right? Like someone's got to be the server. That's why it's a player as well, right? He's the host. But in this case, we don't want the host to participate. The host just hosts a dedicated server side. But whatever. This was just a proof of concept to make sure the host and client structure was working. And it seems to be working beautifully. Obviously, I need to test this over the internet. Shit. How hard would it be without exposing my IP? Well, and not costing a fortune. Oi, boa tarde. Boa tarde. Tudo bem, cara? Oi, fã. Tudo bem? Olha o fã número 1. Tudo bem, amigo? Como é que isso vai? Estou aqui a fazer uma coisa engraçada. sad. Okay. Really am kind of curious about. I do want to see this work over the web. I don't want to put a freaking server running. Ugh. Mais ou menos. Vou comer mais daqui a bocadinho. Vou comer um bocadinho de arroz. Por que estás-me a perguntar se eu já jantei aqui? Nossa senhora. Well then, shit. Yeah, if I wanted to do this, let me think about it. I mean, this is a static thing, so I can just literally deploy it anyway. The problem is the server, not the client. The client, I can literally put it on my vitamin K / drive through and it'll be working. The problem is the server. I need the server somehow. And I think, well, I don't know if it's going to complain about TLS. Well, it didn't complain now. So, I don't know. I might try that. Well, it's also a freaking EXE. So let's try and make an export to Linux, I guess. It needs to be headless. I might be getting ahead of myself. Trying to get too fast. I already got pretty nice little experiment here. Already got a bit of progress. The proof here. Now, I do really want to see the whole thing kind of work. Yeah. Screw it, I guess. I mean, I can put a little instance on AWS and just turn it on and off. It's not a big deal. What I do need to do is make a Docker image, I guess. Yeah. Oh boy, here we go with Docker. That was a real message. Let's see. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let me see here. Do I have a template? I know there is a template for Linux. So let's just put Linux. Server. Let me go here. Yeah. Let me come up here. Make a new template for it. I said serve, but I didn't say which one, right? Linux server. Well, it can't be exe, right? I'm assuming it's gonna. I don't even know what it's gonna be. Drive through. And obviously, would it be a Linux thing? The features is server. Let's export it and see what it throws out. I don't know what this format is. What is a x6? I don't. I mean, I know it's binary, but it's an ELF, I guess. It is. Not too strong with Linux binary stuff. Where was I? It's probably in here. Okay, give a shell. Okay, at least it has a shell to execute it. Good, makes sense. But what is it doing? Echoing. Okay, change the color. Real path. Okay, just good. It literally is just an elf, I guess. I guess it literally is an elf. So let me think about this. Now I need to make a Docker file. Sure. I'll just make it like over here, I guess. Is it? Oh my goodness, I haven't made a fucking Docker file in a long time. Yeah, it's just Docker file. Now, what am I gonna put in this Docker file? I know there's something on here. Godot here. Godot, Lin. Linux. Docker. How long? 4 years ago. Oh, this is the like. I can so you can see. This is actually building it, right? Yeah, and downloads like the actual template on the fly. I don't need this. I'm saying CMD. Okay. Hmm. There we go. Let's see. Private chat. Build image. Yeah. Oh, okay. So really, I don't need a container. I need a container so I can test it locally. That's what I need. Oh, because of the window. Let me make it headless. Let's do that first. I think it's just literally coming in here and putting headless. But let me see. Or at the run. I think it's when you execute, right? Go headless. Okay, yeah, it's actually file structure for the thing. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. This is literally, what is this? Command line argument. Okay, so it's whenever I run it. So what it's telling me is I can come here where you export server. What you're saying is I can come here and go what? Isn't it properties? Like a command line thing before. I don't know anymore. Fine. So I don't really like making another tab in the terminal. I prefer making a new one. That's like the whole reason why I got this damn thing was because of the tabs, and now I don't like them. I did before. Let's see here. FT back to workspace. Green, right? No. Green. The project. Drive through, and we're going to, what's it called? Export. Now I should be able to do drive through. I didn't know that. EXE. Don't see it anywhere. Oh, because I don't see it anywhere. No shit, I made it headless. But I don't see it showing up on here. Yeah. I'm guessing the spout's not running, I guess. I don't know. This is, we close it so the WebSockets don't freak out on each other. Let me run it again without headless. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So, but if I do headless though, will the client still connect? Uh, yeah. So it's still doing its server stuff. That's kind of what I expected. Yeah, it's always glitches here a little bit in the load. Okay, good. So, and the lighting is always a little different. I already know it's probably color space. I'm probably using different color space. I know because of damn 3JS stuff. So it's working-ish. I'll just need to make a spectator that spectates. I could just put this in IWSL or something stupid. Reboot. Yeah, I just need to run it. I just need to run it, like run that shell script. Does that shell script also have the pass through for features? I'm going to assume yes, right? Because let me see if I know my bash. It's taking this, and this I think is the variables that I put, right? Because it's saying echo. This is probably slash. That's almost slash dot slash drive through. Right, yeah, okay. Not sure why base path. I think it's like getting the current path. Yeah, I see what it is. It's like wherever I'm at, put it in here. Okay. Yeah, but these are the arguments. These are the arguments. So if that's the arguments, it should be fine. Can it do an Alpine? Can it run an Alpine? Let's see. Docker file Alpine. Let me just see for something already here. Link server. It should be something small, exactly. Why does this guy have his own Tarzan and Alpine? No, no, thank you. Again, yeah, then untrusted. Just run his own little glib. Sure, why not? No, thank you. It's literally just running it, so it's all good. Yeah. So what are we gonna do here? We're gonna do is, oh shit, am I gonna remember my Docker file stuff here? Does everybody love their own little freaking? How about I just take the Godot off? Because that's too shady-like to me. For me, no, because it has Jolt does not work with Alpine. As liquid glib. Fine. I'm gonna try to do this. Alpine. Isn't it Alpine? Remember. Thanks. Remember what I'm doing. Alpine latest. So, I don't remember how to make a Docker file. Literally just saw it, you know. From, and then we're gonna do copy. What are we gonna copy? Everything in here to /opt server. Work there is server, and then what is it? Entry point, right? Or CMD. CMD, these nuts. CMD opt server, and the name is going to be drive-through server.sh. Well, here it's running it directly. Drive-through server. Drive-through server. X-A64. I know I don't have Docker running. I don't even think Docker can run right now because I think I disabled fucking. Let's see what happens. All I know is it's starting to get there. Oh boy, I do actually. Is it booting up? I haven't used this in a long time. Oh, it is running. Damn, that was actually kind of surprisingly fast. Okay, maybe it was already running. I didn't realize it. Which is bad. Let me see. Docker. What was it? Builds. Dot. And the tag is what is it? Drive through server. Docker builds. Docker builds. Oh, I think I need to do -T, right? Huh? Oh boy. Don't remember how to do it. Docker run IT. I don't. Docker. Builds. Where are you? Just give me a stupid little build dot build tag. Supposed to be -T build. Oh yeah, I always do that stupid thing. You gotta put the arguments first. I think it says there, no? Options. Yeah, it says right there in front of me. Unable to evaluate symlinks. Drive. The system cannot find the file. Oh, because I did not give this like the right name, did I? Drive-through server. It's not an SH. Yeah. Or should it be CMD or entry point? Oh, wait a minute. Where am I? I am in here. That's why. Oh, I'm stupid. I put the Docker file in the other place. So I am in Linux server / everything. There we go. I should do it. Let's see if that does something fancy. Oh, we'll let you know. All right. No matching manifest for Windows. Bro, what? I'm just gonna do the .sh. I think it's gonna make more sense. I think Only from library Alpine. Alpine Linus, yeah. For Windows. Huh? Oh, I'm in the Windows container mode. Oh, Jesus. I know what's going on. I was trying to do graphics and Docker with Dylan, and never mind. That was a pain in the ass. Here, Docker engine, is it? No. Oops. No, we're not gonna update you yet. Just calm the hell down. I might update you. What the hell did I change that? I don't remember. Container types. Containers. Got my face. There it is. Why do I have two of them? Yeah, I don't remember how to get rid of a builder. Let's put it like this. Docker win change to Linux containers. Set up Linux containers. Just, yeah, enable the container. No, yeah, that's what I want. Enable the Linux containers on here. It's literally just a command. And you probably have like a whole freaking blog, right? Oh my goodness. Ah, there we go. Oh my goodness. Why is it in there but not like... How frequently are people doing this? It's not something you switch. Anyway. Okay. I'm only wanting to do a test locally. I'm not going to put this on a server if it's not even going to be runnable, right? Should at least accept clients locally, and then I can do with firewall stuff. I can open the port, UDP. Do that on a Dr. Compose, right? Yeah. So, okay, it says it's switched, so I'm assuming switch, right? I need to restart. Try this again. Holy shit, there you go. All right. So now, I need to then do Docker run, blah, 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 blah. Oh, I gotta make directly first. Make dir OPT server. Oh, I'm trying to copy it before. Oh, I gotta. Okay. Run maker. That makes sense. That makes sense. Although, yeah, because one thing is to find a working directory. One is a current working directory. Right. Jason Ards. What? application args recommended. Oh, whatever. To prevent with its OS signals. Okay, whatever. Docker run. Is that what I want to do now? I don't know. Yeah, I thought so. So did copy it, right? Copy into OPT server. Yeah. Directory there. Oh wait, if the work directory is already in there, then I don't need this, right? It's already OPT server, then just that. Yeah, that's what it's looking for. OPT server growth. Why is it this? I don't think it's CMD works like this, does it? CMD. I think I just put it here like all together. There's a difference between entry point CMD. Whatever. Oops, let me put that again. The OCI headless executable not found. Okay. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. Let me make sure I say I'm not in the tube issues. Skill issues for sure. I have so many Docker files. Really open one up. I don't know why I always forget how the basic shit works. Failed to create a shim task. Enable to executable not found and path unknown. How the hell is it path unknown? And it's not even opening the ports either. Oh, it does have. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I don't want this. I want server.sh. Right? Probably trying to do something crazy. Why is it not running? Next server has 3 files, pcksh. It says I have a typo. Server drive through. Yeah? What's the problem? Stack Overflow. I haven't seen that in a long time. Just because it doesn't even have bash or anything, right? Oh, I can't use Alpine. I think it's going to be too. Okay. Better. Yeah, I think the Alpine doesn't have anything in it, so yeah. And let's see if this one does. Huh? Yeah, it doesn't like these. Yeah, it doesn't like it. So let me just see if I can do. No, I don't think it's going to like this either. I think that's where I need to do entry point, right? Entry point.
I just need to know what's on your mind. You could call my name, I'll be alright. I just need to know what's on your mind.
Oh, missing a comma. Of course. Okay. Expected. Now let's see if it runs. Game. Holy snaps. There it is. It's working. Holy crap. I need to put this on GitHub so I can build it and deploy it. Oh, snaps. Okay, so that is working fantastic. Oh wow, I just realized I had an anime girl. I just realized that was there. Oh, geez. It's hilarious. And I bet you, I don't think it's on the Blender project. I bet you that's like an underlying, or just they've been there the whole time. I just now realized the boobies. So now what do I want to do? I want to deploy that, but still, two things. Get rid of the spout viewer on the server. I'm gonna attach the spout viewer. In here. Just because I want to be local now. So in principle, if I just export all this, I'll be good to go. Oh no, if I get Git's not gonna have the actual binaries. I wanna have to push it. Just push it manually. AWS. No big deal. It would be nice to just be able to pull an image or something. Whatever. I can make this a public document. No, I still need the binary somewhere. I'm not going to do it. Huh? Jawohl. Yeah. I'm gonna go eat real quick and I'll be back.
try to push through my past, but I don't even know if I ever fall. Will they ever notice? Never cared for all goodbye, love. I just wanna be alone. I just wanna be alone. I just wanna be alone. Yeah, I'm truly a desperate lost soul. I got a feeling this world lost control. There's no more hope left. We're stuck in the unknown. It's the only thing I know. If I ever fall, will they even notice? Never cared for all goodbye, love. I just wanna be alone. I just wanna be alone. I could set you free, show you what this world could really be. Here with me, I could set you free of the pain and misery and let you be. Here with me, I could set you free.
And I am back. Thanks. Bourbon again. My goodness, this is chronic. I did just eat very quickly. Okay, so I built this, exported it now. Would like to show my server. This part I may not show all the details, just for my leaking. Jeez, I haven't logged in here in a while. Okay,
show you what this world can really
I gotta get that MFA. MFA. Mufa. 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 Click. Anxiety. We need a PC2. Let's see, instances, I have none. Let me open up my bucket. My bucket. Now in here, let's put a new folder called drive-through, and I'll put one called put here web and Linux server. Oh my goodness, excuse me. I'm gonna use the mute button. Alright, now that's gonna be uploading to there. Let me open maybe another tab, another terminal here. I'm gonna have the SSH into it. Wait a minute. What am I, a freaking? Oh yeah, I need this SSH. Here. Oh, if I can just launch this before we done with an instance. Yeah, and then I get the keys. Do I still have the keys? Oh, snap. I need to open up.
Stop.
Oh boy. Wait a minute. There we go. So I do have that. Wow, I can't believe I have all these here.
Stop.
Oh yeah. Okay. What's this one? Wait a minute. That's Splats and Blender. Guys, I'm gonna need a new one. Oh, Splats. Wait a minute. Splats. There it is. No. Okay. Where was I then? I'll just make a new key. WS Alt. Okay. SSH from no, yes. No. Actually, I need to make a new security group. We'll just say from anywhere. Allow SSH my IP. Allow traffic from. I want HTTP. I need to make a new rule. Create a security group. Like what do I have already? I have a new security group. I can change the security group later. This
Je n'ai jamais poursuivi la gloire.
gigs, sure.
Décembre, mes chansons.
A little bit more.
Moi j'aime les mondes subtils,
Safe,
légères et gentils.
fancy.
Les seront. J'aime les voir se prendre et se lèvent et craignent. Voler sur le ciel. Sur les cieux bleus, vivrai subtilement. Et
I think this on a nano, half a gig of RAM.
Je n'ai
It's
jamais
gonna need
poursuivi
some
la gloire.
memory.
Marcheur, ce sont des traces. Les chemins, rien de plus. Marcheur, il n'y a pas de chemin.
We'll keep the macro.
Les chemins secrets en
Not
marchant.
the micro.
Un marchand secret les chemins.
And public IP.
Et
Exactly.
tournant des jeux de cœur. On voit les sentiers qui jamais.
And then the command's gonna be something like.
Il n'y a
I
pas de
always
chemin.
forget.
Sinon celui d'étoiles.
Which you
Dans les mers.
keep. Fine. Why does it say I, right? E. Was it Ubuntu, right? Oh boy, the UI changed a little bit here. Okay. Work. Yes, it's accepting it. Okay, great. Why? Oh, permission denied. Isn't it Ubuntu? Did launch a Ubuntu one, right? Was that not the image that I put in here? Jesus. It's the same. Amazon. Admin user. I did not mean to do that. Get rid of this. I'm gonna get rid of this. Launch. I never get it right the first time. It's always the same thing. Yellow. Ubuntu. Sure. Free tier. Thank you. Free tier 1 gig. Select. We want this one. And sure. Okay. Sure. What's going on? What's going on? Okay. Pending. It's pending. Pending. Running an IP. Oh, that doesn't make sense either. Oh, well, there was a couple things here wrong. So let's go back to here. Oh. Yeah, I knew it was going to be permissions. It's always a stupid ass. Oops. Okay, I am in. Let's see here. I am in home. Let me go ahead and make a directory called. No, I just downloaded it. Let me see. Wget directory. Yeah. No parent. What is no parent? Oh, because it's not to get the parent, I guess. Yeah, I'm assuming. I'm guessing this is done, right? Yeah. So it should be TPS / min k /drive through / Linux server. This is what I want to download. Download to, yeah, it needs to have a place. Server. Assume that it's gonna create it. Page not found. Key missing. Portal 4. Through. Hmm? Did I not? Uh-huh. Drive through. Because I think I disabled this directory listings. Yeah. I bet you that's why. I bet you that's why. Um Dang it. Creepers, creepers. Wait a minute. What am I doing? Maybe this is the problem. No. Uh, where am I? Yeah. I mean, I don't want to be getting all the damn files by hand, but I will for now. Uh, Pearl. Oh my goodness, why did I get all these damn cookie things? Yeah. Yeah, exactly. And then I have the directory listings off too. So I'll just download it's only 3 files anyway, right? Let's take a look at the folder again. Exports, Linux server. Yeah. So we'll just download them one at a time. The page just go like this. Linux server. That's PCK. Just double check that this is gonna work now. Yeah. That was a little bit bigger than I thought, I guess. Yeah. Make sure exactly. Oh wow, why did it put it all the way over there? Oh, I see. God dang it. Let me go back one. RM, RF. Need a regular this. Okay. Well, I didn't put it where I wanted it, but whatever. I don't care. Okay, so that's going to be the pattern. So now I need to do drive through dot h and then drive through dot server dot x86 underscore 64. So that will download that, and that will download. And I can wire them together. I'm not going to go through being stupid, doing crazy things. That's all I need for that. Because now if I come here to one thing at a time. No, I need the Docker file too. Yeah, I need the Docker file too. Right before here. Why that? Do that. I need to. Um. Okie doke. Getting there. There we go. There we go. Weird. I'm not sure. These stupid things never work. Okay. Damn. Okay. Need all that. All right. This is why I put a little bit extra gigabyte in there. Mm-hmm. Let's see what's gonna happen. Oh, I forgot to do the build. It's gonna go for local host. God dang it. Here needs to be HTTP. No, just k.com/drive-through/web, right? Web drive through web. This is the font, the place. At 8080, yeah. So create. No, that's the client. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? It's gonna be vitamin K 9999. That's where it needs to connect. Vitamin K, where it creates port, right? Here, multiply, create server on that port. God dang it. Now I'm gonna rebuild again. Yeah, because these are gonna get weird with 999. Oh Lord. Fine, port 80, save. At least I have the commands here now. So debug, export them all. It should work, right? Get the client to there. Valid. Projects, exports. Oh, they don't take that long. Gonna have to copy all this again.
it in your vision. Straight up, man, that's gotta make a decision. Stay focused, man, I gotta go. Can't be going backwards, I can't be going slow. Gotta take the lead and I gotta steal the show. It's a straight up madness, you know how we roll.
Now when I run this, shoot.
Straight up madness, you know how we roll.
This is a little slow because I'm not on any kind of premium Amazon stuff. Oops, excuse me.
Stay focused, man, I gotta go. Can't be going backwards, I can't be going slow. Gotta take the lead and I gotta steal the show. It's a straight up madness, you know how we roll.
Okay.
Straight up madness, you know how we roll. Straight up madness, you know how we roll.
Falling short, diving deep. Where is the water taking me? Trying hard, bittersweet. Cabin fever's pulling me. I want to hold on to something greater. I feel the waves come crashing in. I'm drowning, drowning, drowning. Drowning, drowning, drowning. Drowning, 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 drowning,
probably do, yeah. Oh, I see. Yeah, I get it. I get it. It copied it over like that. I need to do 1. Do that again. Okay, no, okay. Well, that's fine, that's fine. Okay, so the server is running now. So now I just uploaded here. So if I come here to localhost 3000, this one should go point over there. Camera's not working. What the fuck is going on? Why is this the... Okay, I got a bug here and I can see what it is. Fine. I already kind of got an idea. I think the first one becomes the camera. Yeah. Definitely taking me a lot longer to load. I even handle this one. Okay. Join. Holy shit. Yeah, but they don't look to be connected. I bet you got something in the console. Oh, isn't it not opening up? Somewhere. Oh, okay. 9999. Just trying to connect to 9999. Oh, because I have it here. I'm an idiot. So let me just run this here. Project, one instances, one instance. No, it's just a regular old client, right? No, I need to make another one. Hang on a minute. Export this web project. Why is this not? It's like overwriting. Okay. Okay, you didn't complain. Nope. Okay, WebSocket connection failed. This one's not connected to anything either, right? Everybody's failing. Got 403. What status 403? Unauthorized? Yeah, it's unauthorized. Forbidden. No. Oh. I got it. I got what the problem is. Let me see how I'm gonna fix it. Because the container is not binding to the IP. To the domain name. Yeah. Okay, so we got a couple problems. One, I can't do port 80 because port 80 is the web server itself, right? But that's not gonna work. Let's do 9999 back how it was. Here as well, 9999, just so it can be all the same. Create server. When it creates the server, it's gonna bind to 0000, so it should bind to that. Yeah, I know if I do the IP of the server, it should work, but I don't want to do that. I want to use the domain name. So this should work. Let me go ahead and just export it and see what happens here. I do need to go to my security group here for sure and change this. Security network group. And yes, there's another security groups. Inbound rules. not TCP. Yeah, it's TCP. $9,999. WebSockets is a TCP connection. Yeah, VPC. 999 from anywhere. Okay, so it. Now I should be allowing. Is that it? And then here I just start it over again? Seems a little too simple. Let's try this again. Go from local hosts. Start through web. Isn't this open? Different window. Fine. Join. Okay, it created one. Now, I don't know if it connected or not, because I don't see a 403 or anything here. Join game. Well, both of them on the same IP. How's it gonna know which one's which, right? Connection failed. Why did this one give a connection failed? The other one didn't. I bet you. Wait, why is it doing that? Oh, I think I actually gonna have to do the actual web. Yeah. Oh, I'm being so dumb. I can't use. I'm being dumb. Hang on a minute. I'm being so dumb. I forgot. This is more complicated than I thought. I need to create a. I know what's going on. DNS routes. Free. Forgot all about this. I'm going to create a subdomain. Come on, let's go. Subdomain, and in the subdomain, create a record. I'm going to call it drive through. And it routes it to.
Demons unleashed from your mind hold me steady. 'Cause you want me. Let me go. So I burn slow. I can see you coming.
There, I guess we can just use a pointer, I guess. I don't really like that. There's supposed to be a way to put it directly to. Whatever, that's. I have to change that. What's the way to put it? In some. Pointing to. This. Fine. Okay, so now in here, I should be able to go drive to. Now if I, oh, hang on. Am I back? Am I back? I know my voice is back. The desktop isn't yet. Bill will be here in a minute. Takes a second for NDI to come back. Yeah, not a good idea to have so many damn things here. At least save Godot, because Godot's tripping. Godot is definitely losing its mind right now. Let me close Godot. Bye. NDI still hasn't come back. Let's rerun the application here. Oh, it probably crashed. Yeah, because everything kind of crashed graphically, I think. Put you my video driver. Let's take a look. Am I back yet? No. Hang on. There we go. Yeah, Godot did not like that. So let's try this again. With these, let's get rid of these. We want to run this. Let's open this up. Okay. Okay. I guess before building, just run it and see what happens. My theory, yeah, the remote server is still running. It should be. So if I just run, at least I won't get like errors, right? That was wicked fast, but whatever. Let's go ahead from here. Project, export, web clients. Am I still serving? Yes. Okay, at least that didn't crash. I think I just had too many instances on my browser and it was overloading for sure. Okay. Looks like my, yeah. Looks like my, back to here. Back to here. Join game. Now, unfortunately, I don't have any logs or anything. Be able to double check if this is actually connected. Ah, I forgot to do this. It took a long time, so I'm just gonna hope that's a good sign. Connection failed. Why? Oh, wait a minute. What am I doing? I did not run the server on 999. So let me do it on 80 then. 1 second, please. Is 80 already open? Yes. So let me go back. Get rid of this. This keeps going back and forth. Do I need to specify it? If it's, I don't know. I'm gonna specify it. I'm assuming no. Because it gets upgraded. That's kind of the whole point. It starts HTTP and then changes. All right, let's see if this is it. This is it. Okay, I'm using the same window. I open this up before it locks me out. Oh, now I can. What the hell? Once it starts, I can't. Join. Oh, web section. God dang it, man. What the hell? Just failed? Why? Just failed. Why? Let's try the IP directly, I guess. It's just a pain in the ass. I gotta export it every time, but whatever. But there's a way to do this better. Oh. Come on now, come on now. Let's try this again now. Oh, it's still running like that. Fails. Okay, but why? I don't think I need to put port. Let me double check and make sure this is actually. I did apply it. Here. Doesn't have to be elastic. I did that, so should show up. When I do. Oh, what the hell is this? Get rid of that. Why am I running the server locally? Start is acting create some issues. This thing. What was it? The commands, DNS lookup. Huh? Nope, that's not what I meant to do, but whatever. I know that's working. Server is running. Did I not? Oh no, I don't know. Yes, I forwarded the port. There we go. I did not forward it in the Docker container, but it still worked in my computer. On my computer. Did it work on my computer, or was I actually connecting to my local again? I bet you I was connected to my local. I bet you I was connected to my local, and I can't be connected to my local. So fine. Either way, I already know what I need to do. I need to open up the Docker file and change the damn thing. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Where'd you go? You are. Can we call Docker file ports? It's just port, right? I just say port. Where's it exposed? I want that. Why is all of a sudden Stack Overflow starting to show up? Yeah, it's exposed. Okay, so basically, it'll be fine. Because the P is for, yeah, it's internal. Either way, let me see here. When rebuild the server on there, just port the port, but that should not be the problem. But at least for sure now, port is already allocated. Docker stop. Stop. Oh, container ID or name. Oh, I got the wrong copy. Okay. There we go. Okay. Okay. Oh shit! I think the server is gonna be a little lost because I think it's gonna be waiting for me to send a signal. And it's always gonna like time out the sig term or whatever. Okay, now I can run it again. Oops. What did I do? The server is running. Now here, what did I just export? This was port 80. Right? So come here. Host. Run. Back. Why is it not working? Yeah, I'm creating on local host, right? Like a rock. Find address is everything already. So I need to put the WSS. Is that what I need to do? Is that what's missing? I should have put like a debug output. Yeah. Brings me back to my old days of programming. No build tools. Build tools. I think WSS is secure, so oh man, what a bummer, come on. Again. Wait a minute. Am I sure the server's on 80? Not 999? Yeah. Like 80. Oh boy, what's going on here? Says it's not localhost, but then the browser should be telling me if it's blocking it for being a dick. I think it has a this is me being too new to. From a secure origin. I bet you this is what the problem is. I bet you this is the problem. So what I need to do is then give it a certificates. I knew this was gonna happen. But then connection closed. No, it's not even listening on that. I don't have it at least two. I don't know, man. This is so weird.
Helpless, defeated, holding on to something I've needed. I'm looking for a
Oh, okay. Funny. Here's a hello world. Okay. That worked. 9999 is what's using you, dumbass. 1, 2, 3, 4. WS. 1, 2. Here it is. Okay, so. Oh, hey, Telmito Hoga. Do I know anything about OBS and Hags? Hags, I don't know about. I do know a little bit about OBS. I don't know if you're still there. If you want to give me a little message there. Let me see if I can find something. OBS Hags? You mean like tags? Oh, hardware accelerated scaling. Oh, okay. That's actually very interesting because I could probably benefit from this. Don't know if you're still there. If you are, you can give me a message, send a message, and I can help you out with something if you have questions. If you have questions about OBS in general. I set up some messages because I'm working on like an OBS thing, so that's what this is for. Tell me to hoga. Okay. Hopefully this is now going to work. If I run here, at least locally it'll work. I don't know if it's gonna work on the web because of the certificate. Let me open this up. So yeah, once the game starts, I can't. I lose that stupid focus. Close the focus. Oh my goodness, it did not give me an error. Oh my goodness, no error. Oh, and I see somebody there. Oh boy, I think this is working. So this one is working. Let me open up another tab. Oh, this is such a pain in the ass with the mouse. I can't go. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out a way of improving all this. Let me open up a new one. This one should also connect, and I should see 3 or 2, the other 2 that are there. The other 2 capsules. And if this works, 1, 2. Well, where's the other one? The other one's not here. They're not synchronized. I also don't know if I can have one in one socket. Yeah, see, I don't think this is. They're not connected. I don't get any errors. Right, drop it for load. Oh boy, I'm getting all sorts of errors. Holy crap. Maybe 2 of them shouldn't be connected. Let's try something else. Let's try just putting one here. I don't know if the server crashed or anything yet. I'm gonna assume no. Oh, the server's probably crashing because it's not handling disconnects or anything. So I don't know how many. Or is it? It is. I think it is. I think it actually is. Let me actually run it here. Just be like a different. No. 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 Oh, yeah. Yeah. Wait a minute. What the hell's going on? Okay, I think it's getting confused because of the IPs. But either way, it should by the peer ID it filters. But let's see. Oh, he's over there. Oh, it's working. Holy shit, it was working. It just took a minute, or I'm blind. Oh, they were on top of each other and I didn't notice. Ah, it's working. Okay, still not. Holy, yeah, and there it is. It's on my OBS too. So my OBS is now showing the scene below. Let me put it on top so it's a little more. Or that's why my screen's all kind of wacky. See? The hell is going on in here? Holy shit. So I got the browser guy. Here's the browser guy. Here's the browser one. And then I got the drive-through one. So this is the desktop. Oh yeah. So I got both of them going through. Fantastic. Let's get out of here. I need to get my scenes going so I can do like more party stuff because this is freaking awesome. I can do more party stuff actually because this is going to be a little boring in the background here until I get all this more squared away. Okay. Oh, okay. So at least there's something to look at while I'm dealing with stuff here. Okay. So, holy shit. Do I need to deal with the? Let me deploy this. Actually, before I deploy it, it's not going to allow me to do it. Technically, I'm not on the same domain. Let's see. drive-through.iconic.com. Let's see if this is going to work. I know this one's going to connect. This one always connects. But I don't know, and I don't get any feedback. Project save. I need to do like rewind. Can it fail? If you're looking back at this, I think I just exported it, but I blanked out. I don't even remember. Let's just do that again. Okay, so it's done. Yeah, I already done it. So now let me come back over here. Just one more time, test this. Yeah, they don't like being in the same browser, and I can kind of understand that. Probably under the hood using the same web connection ID or something. If I come here, it traps my mouse. It's loading. It's stuck. There it is. The camera gets stuck until I load someone else. I know. Then I come here, run again, different one, join. I think it just takes a minute to sync, I think. Or did it just not connect? Connection failed. It's not like going through the... Epa, you know what? Who gives a shit? Just let it be an IP address. It might just because the domains mismatch, all sorts of little things could be happening here. So I'm not gonna really worry about it. I'm gonna put it back, leave it at the IP. This means I'll need to like get a stupid elastic IP. Not that expensive anyway. So other than the bugs, this should work now. If I export this again to web, make sure, and then send it. Actually, I'm gonna upload the website now. What the hell happened? I still have the damn game running. Yes, this game is a bitch. Captures the mouse and screwed. Let's see here. Oh my gosh, what's capturing my mouse over here? The mouse is screwed up. Hang on. Yeah, Windows has my mouse all screwed up. There we go. If I reset this. This damn thing's it's still running? Jesus, that's why. No? What's wrong with my mouse? Windows is not like my mouse anymore on that little wander. There we go. There we go. Close you too. Probably screwing shit up too. Okay, now it seems to be working. Exports. Web. Web I can just put it. It's probably not gonna work. Unless you go to the website's IP, I bet you it's gonna fail. It's gonna fail because IP. I'm trying to open a socket to a different domain than the domain you're on. If I go to vitamin K, blah 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 blah, blah drive through web console. It's not gonna like it. I already know it's not gonna like it. So I'm gonna have to actually move vitamin K to an IP. But now, no one's gonna tell you it's gonna work. Oh, I'm actually on the web itself. Jeez. Heavy. Well, to be honest, the scene is kind of heavy too. With art and a lot of polys in it. Probably I have enough polys to make the whole scene. Well, they give me an error. That's a good start. And yeah, and I look like I'm connected to the thing. No camera. From here. Okay, is that gonna be it? I only see one. Yeah, I don't think it connected. Where's the? Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. There it is right there. I knew that was gonna happen. So, what we do is this. Actually, go back here. We're gonna do this. Don't give me that. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. What am I doing? Oh, I can't. Oh, shit. Oh, but it's a different domain. That's fine. That's fine. Hang on a minute. What am I talking about? Why can't I connect here? Okay, let's try this again. Drive through right thing. I just keep it like that. Okay, so I'm trying to connect locally to there, so Here, it's gonna complain. It's gonna complain. And the host is HTTPS. It's not gonna allow it. It's not gonna allow it. I don't see a connection error. But when the camera is working, oh, if the camera works, that means I'm connected to the. Oh yeah, I think I'm connected. Because if the camera works, that means the server gave you the camera. Nope. Oh, see, it doesn't like two connections. It does not like two connections. Oh, oh, I think it was just. I think it's just syncing. I might be tripping. I know this isn't very nice. Yeah, it's tripping because of the same IPs or the same. He's stuck there. It still should be fine because they're different connections, right? Now it's not liking that. I think it's just something's weird here. It's not working. Why? Why is it not working?
I just need to know what's on your mind. You can call my name, I'll be alright.
That's working.
I just need to know what's on your mind. I just wanna dance all night. 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 Just wanna dance all night.
Oh, I think I oh. God damn it. What? Stop. I think I'm being stupid. Maybe a pointer. I'm gonna probably have to wait a while. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Does this use example.com? Uses DNS. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. That doesn't work. But this does. That worked. With the I think that's just a pain in the ass.
Just break my
Enter the original domain. Or this, no, this is the SP or enter your domain name here. Wait a minute. Damn, that's wrong. An application code load balancer is way too expensive. That shit.
try to push through my past, but I don't even know if I ever fall. Will they even notice? Never cared for all goodbye love. I just wanna be alone.
You know what? It's actually been kind of decent. Hebrews are just good.
I just wanna be alone. Yeah, I'm truly a desperate lost soul. I got a feeling this world lost control. There's no more hope left. We're stuck in the unknown. It's the only thing I know.
All right. Let's see that thing for a minute. I don't understand how it's talking about these. I guess that's the saying. I used the API gateway. They've been like, oh yeah, no problem. Of course, the API gateway costs moolah. You're probably set to. From just using WebSocket to do the, you can still do irregular website. You don't have to use anything else.
I could set you free, show you what this world can really be. Here with me, I could set you free, off the pain and misery and let you be. Here with me, I could set you free. I could set you free. I could set you free, show you what this world can really be. Here with me, I could set you free, off the pain and misery.
All right, so this, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this done tonight. Close. I was able to get it working with direct IP, so that's fine for now. Just use a regular server IP because it'll be a while before, but it would be nice to be able to test it with the domain name and everything. Really looks nice.
Show you what this world can really could set you free, of the pain and misery, and let you be here with me.
Yeah. Okay. So it will work doing that. I just need to use the poetry. I was gonna try that actually. But I was like, okay, I wanted something to confirm it. So here we say. Yeah. So are we gonna just use regular port 80? Yeah, exactly. Custom port. Yeah, exactly. So this is in the origin domain. So I can hear create origin. The origin domain name.
Stop.
It's this, right? The origin domain name. Bingo. Saying HTTPS only, is that what it's saying? Yeah. Viewer, your origin port 9999. Origin path. That's the /WS/star.
Stop.
That it? So then I would come here and go /vitamin_K /WS.
Stop.
/WS. Right. And that's it. We're not going to create a custom policy. Anything like separate. Oh, it's a cache thing. Create a crack, yeah. Pattern is WS. Origin is this one. Where okay. So now, if I run this, in theory, it should go to. I'm gonna have to go to bed here. Wait. It was good progress either way. Still got some stuff going. Now, oh, I gotta update. I gotta send. I can't test this local. Yes, I can. It still tests. That's gonna go through, right? I don't know. I'm starting to get confused if that's even gonna work. I was doing WebSocket. I don't know if I can do WS. I'm confused. I think so. Well, didn't complain. Oh, it's closed before connection was established. He's trying to. I think that IP address will work. But not on the web, right? When on localhost. Well, excuse me. Yeah, even the music's saying it's time to go to bed because this is like hours, 1.5.
Yo, stay focused, man's on a mission. Wavy like the ocean, ain't got time for inhibition. Eyes on a prize, lock it in your vision. Straight up, man, that's gotta make a decision. Stay focused, man, I gotta go. Can't be going backwards, I can't be going slow. Gotta take the lead and I gotta steal the show. It's a straight up madness, you know how we roll.
Yeah,
Straight up madness, you know how we roll.
let me just double check it. Oh. Why do I feel stupid? Oh, that really wild?
Falling short, diving deep. Where is the water taking me? Trying hard, bittersweet. Cabin fever's pulling me. I want to hold on to something greater. I feel the waves come
Origin
crashing
request
in.
policy. I don't see that here.
I'm drowning, drowning, drowning.
Viewer.
Drowning, drowning, drowning. Drowning, drowning, drowning,
It's gonna do. Oh, oh, that worked. Holy shit. This Python sucks. Good. Go to bed. It's working. Tomorrow I can check this out.
colors draw me, gravity to the bottom of the sea. Making waves, I'm making waves to leave this place. I'm drowning, drowning, drowning.
Is it change here on TV? No. But locally, it's not going to work either. It's not going to work locally because it's a different. Oops. So that's expected actually. Let me go ahead and upload this to the server. There we go. There it goes. Okay. Yeah, I thought so. Now I gotta wait for this to finish, and then I can go Python / No. What am I doing? This. I gotta go through here. Is it gonna complain now because I'm mixing SSL without? Oh, it's turning. Right? It's still loading. Oh my goodness, how big is this damn site? It's uploading, let's see if it's gonna work this time. I should be able to always connect locally. I can always connect locally. Just in the browser, it's gonna crap out. What? Okay, it's uploaded. Now I can go right. Still at the end of the month.
We can set the world on fire.
Its textures aren't even it's not WSS. But wait a minute. I don't think the
We can set the world on fire.
I think I can. I'm gonna try it here real quick. I think I need to do that. I'm gonna export and start uploading it while I research it. I don't know. I think it should work. Maybe because the certificate is associated with CloudFront, not necessarily the server. That has a little bit of. Damn, late.
We can set the world on fire.
Where's mine? HTTP only. How about a match viewer? 9999. The Origin doesn't have SSL. It uses. It's not gonna like it. It's not gonna like it. It's not gonna like it. Otherwise, I need to create a certificate and install it on the damn server. Not really any. So let's see. Did the download up finish? Yes. Let's see if it's download. I'll do something. I can't cache these hundreds. No one knows. Well, there it is right there. Did I not do WSS? Yes, I did. Why not like save? Is that why? Oh my gosh. That big. Right now it's like downloading everything, so I'll do like a low and a high. It needs to be able to like run on a potato, so it's gonna have to be like some low poly stuff to get started. Come on, hurry up, waiting for this shit to wow. Data transfer is expensive as hell. Yeah, the services sometimes are really cheap. And oh, you want to transfer data? Yeah, we charge by the byte. Let's see if this shit works, man. I really hope so. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to do damn pin. Because it wants to do WSS. I know it's gonna screw up. It's gonna say. Yeah, private key. No, I can't do self-sign. I have to generate keys, download them, put them on my thing. Oh my god. And I have to serve the environment. Ugh. You know what I gotta do? It's just okay, it uploaded. Here we go. Let's see if it's gonna work this time. If it doesn't work this time, I think I'm gonna end up crashing. Or I'll just put it with the IP address so I can test it. Yeah, that's probably next one I'll put is IP address. The IP address we need to put this. Straight up. Okay. Yeah, connect to insecure web port, blah 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 blah. Screw you. I'm gonna do this. WS. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Save. I haven't had to export the server yet. Now, when I run this locally, we'll get a viewer on OBS, meaning on stream we'll be able to watch. Exports, I actually need to just disable those because it's not being used in web. I have to do a feature flag as well. Don't do that. I didn't copy this. Doesn't grab it.
How will I know if I'm ready? The demons unleashed from your mouth.
It should work. I think it worked earlier. So I don't recommend this on mobile for now. Alright, she's almost done. I'm just the fuel, baby, you're the lighter. If I'm not careful, you'll burn right through my soul. Burning like a wildfire, dynamizer. Yeah, you could use, that's what it does. You pass the website connection to the multiplayer object thingamajig, and that's what handles the synchronizing and the multiplayer spawner. Connect to Ural. Maybe that's what I need to do right into the well, this is the good one. Here? No, I'm using a client. I'm not using it here. Client. Yeah. Why am I using just a client? WebSocket multiplayer here. WebSocket. Oh, this is big server. Yeah. Okay, it's done. Let's see if it can work. That's through IP address, right? It's not gonna work. I'm gonna have to send a binary, but that's fine. Let's do a binary then. Binary means this, right? On local host, it allows it on local host. It allows it on local. Export to web. I'm so stupid. I'm getting tired. Okay, so local host. It's gonna freak out. That's going. Earlier I saw it working. Yeah, there it is, right there. Yeah, there it is. Oh, shit. Okay. Oh shit, he disappeared. Okay. So let's go here. Project export server runnable, no. Add Windows desktop. No server flag. It has a group. Okay, so create an executable. Windows. Right. Now if I go here and run one. Oh shit. It's working. And we're going through the web server. Okay. So let me come here. And you just put in here Windows. It's really kind of big. Okay. I'll grab this. Alrighty, let's see if this is going to work.
It's like a glitch I can't control. Someone's fucking with my dough. Kind of voodoo shit, you know. You know, you won't find me tongue-tied. No witness on my side. Harmonies when I cry. This stuff makes me nauseous. Losing what they taught us. Gotta tread real cautious. But I go back to default. I go back to default. I go back to. It's like a glitch I can't control. Someone's fucking at my door. Kind of voodoo shit, you know. You know, but you won't find me tongue-tied. No witness on my side. Harmonies when I cry. This stuff makes me nauseous.
Hello? Hello? Oh, your sound is weird. Hang on a minute. Yeah, I think. Huh? Oh, wait a minute. Maybe it's me on voice. What? You like coming out of one side? Is your cables all plugged in well? How are you coming out of one side? Yeah, I have music and everything. I'm streaming actually right now. I think voice meter's tripping. Hang on a minute. I'll be gone for like probably a minute. But are you downloading that? Okay, extract it and I'll be right back. Hello, I'm back. Yeah, you're still coming out of one speaker, but whatever. It's probably just Twitch. Okay, so if you want, you can check out my stream. Hello. Yeah, for some reason this is. Oh, I see. There you are. Okay, now you're centered. If you watch my stream, okay. I don't know if you're there, but this is kind of we have to have both. Have the stream and that application ready, okay. Okay, so right now my stream, all you see, I have like this black space right here, right? So my mouse is still trippy. Okay, so I'm gonna start my game. My window over here is kind of small. See, this is my desktop. Okay, so I'm gonna start my game. I started. Now you see below is like just a point of view on the server. See what I'm saying? It's not what I'm seeing as a player, right? So this is me. I can watch. The camera is really sensitive, so be careful. Now, you see on stream, right? You see on stream me moving around, right? Now you start. No, the other one. Taking that long to start? Hello? Oh, there you are. Oh, there you are. Hey, buddy. You can jump. You can jump. That's about it. And look on stream. I can't change the camera yet, but actually I think I can, but I'm not gonna try to. It's kind of crazy, huh? so so no, so people are watching. If I want, huh? No, not yet. Calm down, bro. Calm down. It's worse than fucking customers. Now, I had this work. I cannot do this working on the web yet, just because of stupid certificates. It has to do with security. But I was testing it earlier, and this does work in the web browser. Okay, so it works in the web browser. I can show you. I can't even show you locally. I don't think. Yeah, I can't because it doesn't just won't accept it. It's because of security. Because I'm opening up a socket connection. I need to install a certificate, and that's just a pain in the ass. I'll have to do it. I'll do that tomorrow. I just didn't want to do it today. That's why I sent you the Windows executable. Okay, but this works either way. Okay, this works either way. So we are now in the little mini game on stream, bro. This is crazy. I think I can change the camera. Hang on a minute. Because I think the camera right here. But this is this the server camera? Let me see. Hang on. If I come here, shit. Come back over here. Input. Hang on a minute, because this thing is a pain in the ass. Input. I gotta minimize this input. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There. Now, just click there. Click here. Camera. There we go. Is this moving on screen? No, it's not that camera. Yeah, I gotta set the camera. And well, I gotta actually create a whole different, because I got different versions of the game. I got a server version, okay, and then I got like the player version. So I do need to shit. I do. Are you watching yourself on stream? Every so often, yeah. So if you notice, do you see that gray thing up there? That's supposed to, yeah, that's gonna be the stream. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna have like I'm thinking about cars. Everyone's gonna be in their cars, right? I know it's kind of fun walking around too. So I don't know that, but that's like a little bit kind of like man having both, and I don't have animations and shit. That's like a whole nother level. I could do us coming like in and out, but then I have to have like ownership of the car. So one thing at a time. We'll be born as cars, and we'll just drive around as cars and shit. And then it'll just kind of grow. Yeah, but the idea is this, right? And so here's the kicker. This, because people will be on the browser. Well, I guess you can be on the thing on local on like Windows like you are now, but it'll count as a view. It'll count as a view because I'll literally pull the HTTP like a regular browser would. So it's going to count as a view. So people can be in the game no matter what, like full screen. See what I'm saying? And not miss out on the stream. See what I'm saying? And then they can go drive around and do whatever, and still have the stream going. See what I'm saying? And then imagine someone does a redeem or subs, right? Someone does like 100 subs or whatever. Well, now we're going to do a race, right? They got a race or whatever. So now we re-race, and now certain people have to race, and now obviously the map is going to be bigger than this, right? So I can have a bigger map, and people can go drive around. See what I'm saying? I can put my map in here and shit. So yeah, this was like just to prove. See what I'm saying? Bare minimum, bro. I wanted to see like, is my idea gonna like work, like the loop back and everything? Well, look at this shit, bro. Look at this shit. And you, it's just a couple of things to highlight. Look at the resolution of this block. See, I set this on in Godot. So if I come over here now, where are you? Wait a minute. Yeah, hang on. This one. Oh no. Where are you? God damn it. Here. If I come over here to, where are you? Yeah, here, the spout camera. Now I don't know if it's gonna do it now, to be honest. But if I put it like at 1080, yeah, exactly. So now look at the resolution out here. It's now full screen. See what I'm saying? Look, see? So what I mean by that is I can adapt the resolution of the camera to kind of fit my layout in my OBS. So if I want it like this, or I can want it the other way, and I see what I'm saying? So I can transition. That's kind of what I'm saying. So I can kind of start at one resolution and be like, hey, let's transition into this other one. So everything's nice and smooth. Hey, we're about to start let's go check out what the people are doing down here. See what I'm saying? And then I can like move the camera and we can walk around. Imagine there's like someone that's subscribed or whatever. We can like, the camera can go to them in their car. See what I'm saying? That's the whole thing, bro. Can you imagine like how much people would love that? Like people go crazy over the stupid emotes and icons, right? So can you imagine like people love getting their name called out and stuff? So can you imagine like they do a certain subscribe or whatever, right? Oh, that and then the camera, not this camera, like the camera in the stream, focuses on them. See what I'm saying? And they can be there with their car customized with all their color, whatever they want. See what I'm saying? People can start tricking their vehicles out and stuff. So, yeah, bro, I'm kind of excited. I'm smiling like hell. I'm smiling like hell. My last couple of streams, I've been like on and off with the Matrix mode because I'm like, I'm smiling. It's working. It's working. Oh, geez. So yeah, and then later on, I can even do more complex things. Like when I change views like this, right? As I'm changing my scenes, I can change where that's at. See what I'm saying? I can change this to any resolution. Well, it has to be a rectangular shape. But yeah. We've got the power. So now, obviously, I got to put in the driving mechanics. I got to improve the camera a little bit. See what I'm saying? But look at the hood of that red car. I didn't realize this when I noticed it first. I don't even know if it shows up in Blender. I think this might just be like a texture the guy used underneath. But because the export didn't export everything, the shader. Did you see it? I didn't even notice that. So anyway, that's it, bro. I'm really excited for that. For this, obviously you're connecting like on that Windows version, but dude, I'm telling you, you're gonna go to vitamin K / whatever, and it's gonna pop up, and you'll join. It'll be like this. I'll have to tweak a couple things. I have to tweak some stuff. I mean, it takes a long time to download, bro. It's a big download. I need to optimize. These cars are fucking heavy. Sorry if I'm cussing, but that's like a couple million polygons each. So they're very big. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm gonna have to tone down the quality. To start, I'm gonna start with like super low, right? Or whatever. I put like shit together. But eventually I'm gonna have to create like settings. Like, hey, do you want low settings, high settings, medium settings? And it kind of like I'll have to adjust, right? Because ideally I want everybody to be able to play, people with shitty computers. But also I don't want it to be fugly, man. You know what I'm saying? Because that's one of the things I don't like is like about web stuff, like web graphics and games. They usually look like crap. Why? Because they have to go to the lowest denominator, and it's really tricky to get this right. But well, it's extra work. See what I'm saying? Because now you gotta like create different versions of the models. You gotta load them in, and it makes things a little bit more complicated. But I don't care. I'll do that later. You know what I'm saying? I'll do that. I'll create the whole system, swap it out, create different versions if I have to. I can even create literally different versions. See what I'm saying? You can mix and match. This is the thing, bro. I could even release this on Steam, and you could download it from Steam and just run it on your computer. Okay. See what I'm saying? and then you're in the stream drive-through. Can you see what I'm saying? Wouldn't that be cool, dude? Now I just have even a bigger idea. Oh my god, the idea is growing. Now listen to this. I make this like a program on Steam, but if you're a streamer, you can like do the hosting. So now you host a server as a streamer, right? And you can have people participate in yours, and of course, hosting and all that. You get money off of that shit, right? So just like hosting an RP server, you have to pay for this stuff. So yeah. Anyway, that's way in the future. But I'm thinking this might help out my stream here if this picks up. People have been reacting pretty good. This is why I really wanted to get to this phase, because now it's kind of like, see, look, it connects. Check it out. You can hop in right now. See what I'm saying? That's really what I want. I want like, here, go ahead, hop in. Don't make me boot you. But anyway. It's all good. It's all good. If you want to go, you can go now. I just wanted to test that. Want me to do some jokes? Yeah. We make all jokes. Oh, hello. Bye-bye. Thank you. Alrighty. So that was really exciting. I think his mic was off. I got so excited I forgot to turn his mic on in the stream. But that's okay. I was testing, just so I guess for nobody or whoever watches this later, if anybody does, I was testing out with my family member who is on the other side of the planet, so different continents, and it seemed to be working pretty dang good with relatively low latency or jitter. Of course, there's no special things going on, but hell, it was working. So that's pretty damn good in my book. So anyway, there's less lag than Call of Duty, that's for sure. I'm joking, but it's probably very serious. So before I go, I think I need to turn off the server. I mean, I know it's not expensive, but it's like $10 a month. Fine, I don't care. I'm already paying $10 a month for the damn things. I'm already getting like the 20. Because now I'm going to drive traffic to the main site, and the main site's bloated as well. I'm going to have to improve my homepage because it's super bloated. Or at least make it cache so people aren't downloading things all the time, because they can start getting, or you guys can recommend me some providers, because I can make this its own domain, I guess. We'll see. Let me go ahead and turn the server off. I really don't feel like it, but because then I have to make a new IP, and if I make a new IP, his version breaks, but that's fine. That's fine. Okay, so I need to set up like a proper redirect of some sort, like a subdomain that redirects to the different CloudFront, I guess maybe, and that's still and then that one becomes it. It's still gonna be I probably need to do another CloudFront distro. I think I'm starting to see. I'm starting to get tired, so I'm not going to try and ramble it all tonight. Although I kind of feel like it, but that's not good. Creates burnout. Alrighty, well, if anybody's there, thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.